Oh, hey everyone, it's Wine Wednesday. I thought I'd offer to help Ray out here, watching his videos. You know, want to show him what it's really like to cook in this kitchen. So, you know, happy to help.
Hi everyone, now that we've got this powerhouse here, we got to start. We're doing a baked salmon sushi. So here are the ingredients. I'm gonna put these aside so you can see Ryan's pretty face.
It's important, that's why I'm here.
So we got two cutting boards. You got mine, the real deal, and you got the beginner cutting board for Ryan and the beginner knife. So
plastic.
So let's start. First thing we do is we have some whipped cream cheese here, and we're gonna make a sauce out of this. And as well, we've already pre-made some salmon, which we'll get over here. Ooh. So Leah can zoom into when we start preparing it. So in essence of time, we're just pre-making this. So I'll just show you. It's very simple. We have the oven at 400 degrees. And drizzle some olive oil, and then some of this beautiful sea salt. Well, actually flour salt, as I always like to use. A bit of salt and pepper all around. Sprinkle it liberally. This is going to be mashed up to make our baked sushi complete recipe. So you don't need to be super specific. Then a bit of lemon. What we do is pop in the oven. Isn't that beautiful? All these beautiful colors.
I forgot my craft dinner in the car. Don't know if it would go with this dish though, so.
Just gonna edit all this out. So here's the salmon. It's cooked. As you saw in the earlier clip before Ryan arrived, we had it prepared just to save time. So let's begin. Ryan, I'll need you to do the crab sticks. Very easy. All you have to do is just this. Actually, it's supposed to just pop out and just put it in, okay?
Oh yeah.
Can you do that?
Oh, no problem.
Wash your hands.
Oh,
First,
yeah.
You gotta wash your hands.
I already did, but that's fine. You want me to show it for the camera? I got it. It's good. Scalpel. I'm ready.
So
All scrubbed up.
go ahead and do that, and put the crab sticks inside. As well, on my end, what I'll do is I'll scrape the salmon over here. Scrape the salmon meat. As you can see, it's still skin on. We don't want the skin. Okay, so as Ryan's doing that, I just wanted to come over here quickly. We have some sushi rice that we started. Okay, so it's nice and cooked up, fully cooked, of course. I'm gonna bring it over here because we're gonna season the rice as well. Let's put it down here. Oops. Put it down here. It's very, very hot. So for the rice, we're gonna have some sesame oil. We're gonna have some sushi rice. I'll add a bit of the sour kick. It's also sweet, a bit salty as well. It'll give the rice some really, really good flavor. Some salt. Oh yeah. And some pepper. So what we'll do now is we'll mix the rice. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on. Trash here, and you can see the rice as well. It's well mixed. So we'll let that cool down a bit, and now the salmon. We'll put this onto the side, and what's gonna happen next is we'll put the salmon in, like so. It's about 90% cooked because the rest of it's gonna cook in the oven. We don't want it fully cooked because it's gonna be way too dry. But again, our mixture here will incorporate a few other ingredients, such as Sriracha, which I'll... Everything about you, your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny
crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Just like at home, you know, I get to cut the cheese, cut the vegetables.
You do all the important
nothing,
stuff.
Nothing too, no risk of messing it up.
Exactly. So you see here the rice, sushi rice. It's gonna be fanned out here.
I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire.
So the cream cheese, when it goes in the oven, it's gonna melt a bit. It's gonna bring out additional flavor. And right now you can't smell it, but Ryan and I can. The cream cheese, the sriracha, it's all in there. Look, Ryan missed a part here. Look at all this cream cheese, that's lovely. So we'll be able to skim it out here.
Not invited. This is it. One and only Wine Wednesday.
Yeah, that's right. You're
No
not
invites
invited.
back.
You're not invited again. You screwed it
I was
up.
making sure you're paying attention.
Screwed it up. But it's all good. Actually worked out perfectly. So next step, we put it in an oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for 10 minutes. Okay, and while that's cooking, it is Wine Wednesday. So we gotta need something that's gonna pair very well with this baked salmon sushi.
The real reason I'm here, folks. Let's do this.
So here's your glass.
Oh, kid glass too. Perfect.
We're actually gonna have unfiltered sake. So it's called nigori. So I'll let you get a close-up of that, Leah. So let's try it out. It's not the official glass you drink with sake, but there's no really rule of thumb, I find. Oh, again, make sure it's well shaken because it's unfiltered sake, so it's gonna be a creamy looking sake.
Cancel my afternoon.
So I'll pour Ryan first, ladies first. Then I'll pour myself. Ooh. So Ryan,
Never
give it
had
a try.
this. Yeah.
Give it a little twirl. You smell it?
Yeah, it smells
Cheers.
great.
Cheers, Ryan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The unfiltered is way different than the other stuff.
Like a filter.
Than the filtered.
So we'll wait for the salmon and then we'll finish up the rest and then get a tasting from it. So starting from this point, we lost our voice, so we're gonna have to do a voiceover.
Play by play.
Play by play. So I'm cutting the avocados now. It's gonna make the dish add some color, and it's a good fat, so add definitely some good flavor as well. And the avocado right now, it's a little bit more ripe than I would like it, but it's still good. It's not brown where it's overripe, and again, it will add some nice color to the dish.
I'm just very impressed that you didn't cut your fingers off. Yeah.
So we're trying to make up what we're trying to. What we were saying here, we had lots of really important topics, and
the avocado cycle. You need to make sure the avocados are cycling, and bananas actually help ripen avocado. Do you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
We keep ours right next to the bananas.
That's good. You just
But,
gave some value
yeah,
there.
you're welcome.
Right. So we're just trying to fill in.
Have me back. Have me back.
So we're gonna add a bit of sriracha and mayo to finish, and I'll do the sriracha first, and then what's gonna happen is Ryan's gonna do the mayo, and I don't think he messed up on it. We'll have to double check.
I mean, mayo's not the best for you, so being sparse here, flavor but healthy all at the same time. At least that's what I thought.
Okay, Ryan, give me that. That's why I
Yeah.
told him I go just give it that to me.
No.
I go. There's a very thick bed of rice at the bottom, so put a little bit more. And not only that, we're gonna be torching it, so we're actually gonna burn the fat off the mayo, and some of the oil is gonna creep down into the salmon and also the rice. So it's not essentially just fat that you're eating. We're cooking that fat to make it a little bit healthier. Again, we do try to keep our dishes very healthy. And right now, as you can see, I'm going to torch this guy and the platter. Yeah, and just gonna
didn't offer the torch up to me, but I don't blame you.
So we're pretty much done here, and we're going to do a taste. I'm going to give Ryan a portion.
Yeah, and this is where I'm reminding Ray that we eat with our eyes first, so we're going to make this look good.
100%. You can see I screwed that up the whole
I wasn't going to say that, but
I can see Ryan's face. He's staring at me in his mind.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll get a portion as well, and we will also try it with the sake. We're going to see how that pairs up. Ryan said something here. I don't know if you remember what you said.
Eat with your eyes.
Oh, with your eyes?
With your eyes first, yes.
I see. So
plating is important.
Yes, and seaweed. It's optional, and you can put a bit of it with the rice, or you can eat it without, because not everyone likes the taste of seaweed. So that's why I brought up the seaweed as an option. So here we are. We're going to do our first taste test.
I'm excited at this point because I'm hungry.
There's a big kind of noise that you guys missed.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. This is where I let everybody know that it's not bad. Yeah.
So we're going to pair with our sake. Pairing food with what we're drinking, I find that's so important. And after tasting it, the baked salmon and the sake, it actually works, even though we don't have big smiles. It was actually really good.
Hand in hand, I said. Definitely, they pair well together.
So now we're using the seaweed and see how that flavor profile goes. Cheers. So it's a one biter. Like it. And now I said, live to eat, not eat to live.
That's right.
Take care, guys. Thanks.